Hey guys, so this is a quick video to show you this very interesting website called Nanoly, and what it does, it shows you the best vault on the DeFi. So if you are somebody who's using DeFi to for the swap or for providing liquidity, you will find a lot of value here. So what it does is it basically find different vault on various blockchain, and there are like a lot of blockchains here, and it shows you which protocol is offering how much reward, and you can sort the entire thing based on various factors like TVL, the APY, and you can also select the protocol. So for example, if I want to check on Polygon what is the maximum yield I'm getting, so on Polygon blockchain, so USDC GNS on Uniswap currently is getting base APY is about 539%. The TVL is very low, about 112K, but at least it gives you an idea, and especially if you are invested in a particular project, you can find a lot of value. So you know what you can do. You can also sort based on the token here. So I can check, like, there are different. These are the different options here. Uh, but if you don't want to become a liquidity provider because of the impermanent loss, you can always check for single token or no impermanent loss tokens, and then you can sort them based on, let's say, TVL, and you can find the token which makes sense to you. So I really like the single token liquidity option, and let's sort this based on the TVL, and we can see, like, there are certain tokens where we can expect decent APY. Now, of course, gone are those days when we were getting like digit APY on the blue chip token or even stables, but still, this is a very great idea to find lucrative options. Let's do something very interesting here. Okay, so let's check some of the top blockchains. For example, Optimism, right? Yeah, okay, X also. And then let's search for USDT, and let's see which one is offering the maximum APY, right? So here I'm getting USDT, the APY of 20.39% on CBridge protocol, which I'm not aware of, on BNB chain. But TVL is still decent, not really high. But if you're doing a small amount, you can do that. But of course, you need to do more research to find out how good this particular protocol is. So in this case, I don't know about CBridge, but let's see if I could find anything else. Okay, so there is Insuris, which is well-known platform. If I'm not wrong, they used to provide insurance services, and when you click on it, you can find more information about this particular, the TVL and the APY here. So this platform has been around for a while, and they are also offering rewards. So in this case, the base APY is nothing. Basically, you are not earning USDC, but what you are earning USDT, but what you are earning is the reward in the form of Insure token. You can always add it to your watch list. So for this, you need to create an account. Now, to see this page, you need to create an account right now. The pricing is free for the individual use. There are paid plans which I think will come in the days to come. But if you need certain feature like email support, CSV export, unlimited history, then you need to opt for the pro plan, which you can do by contacting them. They also have API. So for the API, you need to sign up for the enterprise plan. And yeah, let's see what else is here. So you can also find the trending tokens, the trending vault. You can always find the top stable coins. So for example, here BUSD on wires waves is offering 43%. But the problem is, now I was checking this tarot on Phantom, so this vault. Okay, now the problem here is that TVL is very low, $53,000, and when the TVL is that low, it's not recommended to use this protocol, because it might create problem for you in the days to come. Um, and of course, always check the base APY and the reward APY, because often, as we saw in the earlier example, the base APY was zero, but you were getting reward in the form of the platform token, which is not a bad option if the platform is good. So like this, you can always find a single token staking, single token options. For example, I want to see if which one is offering the maximum yield on Matic token. So here we have, okay. So lead on Lido, in my earlier video, I've showed you this example of the Lido Finance, right? On the Ethereum chain is offering 6.30%, which is pretty decent. The only problem is you would be paying the gas fee of the Ethereum, which many of you may not like. Similarly, here you can get about 2.49%, and like this you can always find multiple options. And I really find this platform Nanoly very useful, especially if you're into DeFi, which the sector which is growing really fast, and I believe that in the days to come it would continue growing. Now make sure that you do further research on DeFi Llama or other protocol or other platform for the vault to understand how good and how reliable that is. So with that, I'll leave you with this Nanoly platform. Add it to your playbook. And if you have any suggestion, if you know similar platform, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, do like and share with your friends or with your crypto friends. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.